You ever just want to become a pumpkin? I mean, I've never really had that problem, but the amount of eyeshadow and eyeliner that is on my face right now is just beautiful. So welcome back to another day of 31 days of Halloween here on my YouTube channel. If you are new here and do not know what that means, I'm just uploading a different Halloween makeup all 31 days of October. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So today, my hair is like the crunchiest, 80th looking mess I've ever seen in my life. And we turned ourselves into a pumpkin head. It's weird, but you know what? We go with the weird stuff here on my channel and we embrace it, and we're just rolling with it, okay? We're gonna keep going. So if you guys enjoyed the video while you're watching, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And you guys can follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out on any of my fun little sneak peeks and weird shit I put on there. It's always linked down below in the description box. And without further ado, let's get into this video, guys. We're going to start off by taking a light brown eyeshadow and mapping out where we want the pumpkin to start and end. This doesn't have to be perfect because you're just going to cover it up, but you just want to kind of have an idea of where you're going with each side of the face. We're going to start off with the regular side. I'm just mixing quite a bit of white into my regular foundation shade and blending that over that side of my face. I'm also adding concealer, powder, contour, and a little bit of highlight. And go ahead and fill in that one eyebrow as you normally would. For the eye today, I'm just doing a dark brown smoky eye with some orange tones in it and a winged eyeliner. Once again, you can do whatever you want. This doesn't have to be anything special. You can do super full glam and glitter. I kept my eye completely matte though. I'm adding a thick black wing with some liquid eyeliner. Once again, you can do whatever you want to on this side. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. And then I'm finishing off this eye with some mascara. To start the pumpkin side of your face, I'm taking an orange multi-stick from Wet n Wild and kind of going along the outline we made and then filling in the rest of my face and blending it out with an eyeshadow brush. Once we're done filling in the orange side of our face, I'm taking an orange colored eyeshadow and going over it to mattify it and to make it a little more opaque. Next, I'm taking a black liquid eyeliner and tracing over the outline I made just to make it a little more crisp. This again does not have to be perfect because we're going to be adding some shadows and blending a lot of it out. Using the same liquid eyeliner, I'm tracing a triangle around my eye and a classic jack-o'-lantern smile on one side of my face. This also does not have to be perfect. My triangle ended up being ginormous because I was trying to make it completely symmetrical, and your girl just can't do it. So, SARS. I'm also thickening the line with my liquid eyeliner so I don't have to get as close to the orange with the black multi-stick I eventually fill everything in with. I also go over the black multi-stick with a matte black eyeshadow just to mattify it and to make sure I'm not missing any spots. You also want to double go over your eyelid with black eyeshadow so it doesn't crease from all of the goopy, nasty, greasy pencils. Taking a darker orange eyeshadow mixed with a light brown, I am going to start to shade around the shapes I've drawn onto my face and add the pumpkin lines. I don't even know what they're called, like the creases in pumpkins. Once I'm happy with how the lines going down the pumpkin head side of my face are, I am also going to go along the outline I created and shade around it a little bit. Don't really have to do this. I'm kind of upset I did it, but it's in the video, so rolling with it. And the last step of this look is to add some black lipstick. You definitely don't have to do black on both sides, but I like black lipstick, so I'm just lining the regular side of my face and filling in both sides, and then I also extend a corner upward and outward on my regular side of the face just to add an extra little creepy factor in. That is it for this look, guys. I hope you liked it. So that is it for this video, guys. It didn't come out exactly how I thought it would be coming out, but it's okay. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit all 31 days of October, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.